name is Brice Rickard. I'm a Senior Financial Analyst for SmartCity Telecommunications. We're based in Lake Buena Vista, Florida, and we use Sage Mass 500. We just went through a consolidation with one of our corporate offices from New Jersey. They wanted all the financial reporting in one location, which was Florida was chosen as that location. So we just went through a process with the consolidation of there was 3 separate Mass 500 systems, and we consolidated them all into Florida's Sage Mass 500. And with that process, we had to build 79 new financial reports within Spreadsheet Server. We looked at a couple other business intelligence softwares as well, and Spreadsheet Server won out, mostly because, not only, but because of the time saving. To refresh a report and a data warehouse for this other system would have taken close to an hour, where Spreadsheet Server, once a journal entry is posted, it takes 5 minutes to refresh our reports. We do all of our financial reports with Spreadsheet Server, and being a telecommunications company, we have a lot of communications text that is involved as well. So we use Spreadsheet Server for a lot of to calculate our tax worksheets, as well as some regulatory reporting 499 reports. Definitely the simplicity of Spreadsheet Server for new users coming on who have never used it before. I've been with SmartCity for 3 years, and when I first came in and was introduced to it, I really liked that it was in Excel, which made it very, I was in a comfortable environment using Excel, in previous jobs that I had. And with Spreadsheet Server, just learning how to use it, it was very simple. It wasn't complex. You didn't need to know a whole bunch of different, other systems in order to use it to write a report. You could mirror after a report that was already written, or you could start with, build a report and make your own report however you'd like to. The data migration process was done. We pulled all of the data out of the 2 other Mass 500s and brought them into our single, the Mass 500 that was in Florida. And with that process, we imported over 1 million journal entries, or lines of journal entries. And Spreadsheet Server uses a tool to make sure that every entry was accounted for and that everything came in correctly. It was very simple to build a report just to make sure that everything balanced. And with the migration, we also had to bring in the vendors. And the vendors went back from the beginning of time, from 1998, and some of these vendors haven't been paid in 10 years. So one of my coworkers was able to create a report within Query Designer that would pull in the last time these vendors were paid. So we were able to eliminate the list of over 5,000 vendors down to maybe 1,000, right around there. Using the Query Designer to pull the vendor data to see when they were last paid was a very big time saver for us. To do it the other way, to be honest, we really didn't know another way to do it, and it would have taken probably days upon days in order to figure out what to do to make sure we didn't import vendors that were inactive. Where with Query Designer, we were able to do something in 30 minutes. So that saved days alone.